My name is Quratul Ain Bakhtiyari and I am a social peace activist. To this day, the wisdom of my father and the activism of my mother remained ingrained in me. When 1971 happened, the separation of East Pakistan, it hit me. My sense of security and trust shattered. I opened my doors for refugees. But it wasn't enough. So I worked at the refugee camp to help them settle. I listened to their horrible, painful stories. I understood them. But it wasn't enough. So I left the comforts of my home to submerge completely. I continued my education in community development. I had to start by understanding everything from its grassroots level. I trained men to help build 5,000 latrines. Then the Balochistan government called me, and using the same model, I built more. In 1992, I created partnership with Parent of Girl Child and Government of Balochistan to establish 2,200 schools through a process of community support. A method I designed to promote education for girls, enrolling more than 200,000 students. Few years later, the government of Balochistan declared it as part of their official policy. In 1998, I founded the Institute for Development Studies and Practices to inspire social change through young leadership for community development. Pakistan is a country with a very fast-growing young population. 60% of its population is between 15 and 35 years, and we have no program for them. IDSP, in our institute, we reach out to these people who are missed out or who did not make in the school system or education system or are unable to get into the job market and give options to them. We bring them in and they go through courses on community development, on self-improvement, on citizenship, on their rights, and they then go out. Most of them get jobs or they start their own community development projects across the country. Throughout all these years, one thing did not change: the lack of infrastructure in Balochistan, let alone any access to basic necessities and healthcare in the rural communities.
Balochistan has the highest maternal mortality in Pakistan, highest. There were girls who were midwives technically, but they had never touched a patient. They are about young women sitting, doing nothing with their credentials. They only need confidence and lot of practice of delivering, and that's it.
Today, more than 200 girls graduated as community midwives. Many of these girls now not only run their own maternal clinics in their remote areas, but are also looking after their own communities. We aspire to make IDSP a center of excellence for community development, a space to rethink and remodel social paradigms, influencing the youth, specifically women all over Pakistan.